Guys, it is once again Victor from Web Server Guru support team, and I'm very happy and excited to announce and lead this special episode of Web Server Tips. As you know, Halloween is coming pretty soon, yet you still have time to make profits around it. Before we get into the important part of the video, please let us know if you have any suggestions or improvements regarding our platform or the content we upload in the comments below. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos. Every holiday has something appealing, such as presents for Christmas, decorations for Easter, and so on. These are the things that make people spend so much money around those times of the year. Today, I'd like to talk about a very pleasant, sweet, and most importantly, a very profitable campaign for all dropshippers. Halloween can become one of your favorite times in the year if you take advantage of certain tips and tricks. Since it is celebrated all across the world, this is the reason it attracts customers from every point of the globe who prefer to shop online in order to get ready and participate in the Halloween festivals in their respective countries. In fact, not so long ago, I have read somewhere that in the United States only, the total of the money spent for Halloween last year was around $8 billion. Can you imagine? And for this year, 2019, the predictions are that it will pass $9 billion. There are several product lines that you could take advantage of during the Halloween season. And here are some of the most popular products sold around this time of the year. Hardly this would surprise anyone, but Halloween costumes are what people buy the most. I know it was pretty obvious, right? They are very different and can be anything from scary, spooky, funny, reaching up to creative and heartfelt, all at the same time. While the most traditional costumes include witches, wizards, skeletons, ghosts, lately people tend to like dressing up as their favorite celebrities or TV characters such as Batman, Spider-Man, as well as other ideas and pop culture or historical references. Let's take, for example, Guy Fawkes. I really like his person. Mentioning Batman and Spider-Man reminds me of something very important, and it's children. Dressing up kids is one of the most common traditions during Halloween, so a Disney princess outfit or costume of the Avengers can never be a wrong move. And as a guy who loves animals, especially dogs, yeah, that's right, I'm a dog person, I would never leave them behind when it comes to dressing up for Halloween. A growing trend in the last couple of years is for some families planning to redecorate their whole household for the holiday, including their beloved pets. For example, dog delivery costumes. I've seen even hot dogs, spider dogs, as well as cats who accompany witches are one of the top sellers again for this campaign. Apart from costumes, highly underrated but very popular are the face paintings. Inevitably, when trying to be as realistic as possible, or in case you couldn't find the time for a costume or you didn't have the opportunity to buy one, you can use face paintings or mascara and a couple more accessories so you can still celebrate Halloween. How did I come up to forget about candies? As children are going house to house, they gather more and more candies throughout the trick or treat. So they would need something like a bag, for example, in order to carry them. So why not a pumpkin bag? To be honest, I'm afraid of pumpkins. Guess those horror movies when I was little took their toll. I don't know really. So once again, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. This sums it up for today's episode. Hope you've enjoyed it. May your Halloween campaign be full of profits, and see you guys next week.